Alright, so here we are, Flickr. So you'll need a Yahoo account to get to Flickr. A group of students will probably need a Yahoo account. Yahoo is very easy to get to. If your school's blocking Yahoo, tell them they're crazy, okay? Now, like that's going to work, but just say, you should not be doing this, and show them this video. Show them what your idea is, and have them see that it's a good thing, that you're actually broadening their minds a little bit outside of the textbook. Here's Nigeria. Here's culture of Nigeria. Here's people playing on the beach in Nigeria. Awesome. This is exactly what I want to see. I want to see the capital of Nigeria. I want to see all this stuff. Flickr is amazing this way because think about who the target audience of Flickr is. Photographers. Who does all the pictures in your textbook? Photographers. So if you can get photographers to take pictures of an area, which they are going to be doing already, and then find the area where they're going to post those online, Flickr, you have all the contents to make your own type of research project. It's on Flickr, and you're using it for educational reasons. You're not selling your site at all, so it's all legit. You don't have to worry about copyrights or anything like that. Now, what's really nice about Flickr is the slideshow. Because in slideshow, you can share. Okay? Now you can share it as a URL or you can copy it to your clipboard. Okay? If you were to, let's say, go back to Google, for example, and I'll just create a page name. Okay, there's kind of the spoon-fed information right there. So here you can put a lot of different stuff, HTML. Okay, and up here there should be a save. There we go. That's the start of it right there. Not too scary now, is it? Now, what else? You need text, of course. That would be nice. The culture, the brief explanation about the economy, that stuff. That's a Google search away. I'm just focusing on media. Here's another thing that's nice about Flickr also. Let's go to Flickr and go back to search results where I just typed in that. But let's go to Explore. Let's say you're a teacher just trying to think of where in the world should I start? Well, let's go to Map of the World. A thing that has become popular right now with digital cameras is a thing called geotagging. Geotagging is just going in with a digital camera and having, those things that you put in your car, TomToms, so that you don't get lost. Those things. Basically, it uses satellites. So here's a person with a camera that's based upon using geotagging, and I clicked on it and I'm like, wow, this is amazing. The Photographer by Spice. Well, Spice probably lives in this area. There's no doubt about it. And I can kind of look at this person and see if there's any other images that would best represent this area, and I can start getting an idea of, is there things in this area that might be interesting. And it leads back to Getty Images, which is another Flickr type site. Okay, some of the flora, some of the landscapes. Now, I don't know if these are from this area, but if she's using geotagging, you'd be amazed on how much you can get down to the picture level on where this picture was actually taken. The only thing I don't like about Getty Images is people put stuff on Getty Images to sell, and it puts this ugly tag out here, which in a research project, I really don't want to see that. So that's why I chose not to use Getty Images. So this is a bad example, but you get the idea that geotagging, if you use it, you can find out, is there really good pictures in the area. And if I do some ahead of time searches to set students up for success, that'd be nice. Like here's one in Europe. Much better. Okay. A group of people. Look at this contact list. Isn't that amazing? Groups. Europes. So it's starting to feed into each other, where more and more refined areas. And look at that, 2,209 pictures from this group that lives in Europe. So you're automatically getting the culture right into your classroom. And don't forget, that's just the start of it. If I wanted to build more and more things into this, I could even go to youtube.com and find some searches on Nigeria, bring some video into it, and find some text to put into it. Even a Google document every once in a while, a link to it. That's a good research project. So now that you have a Yahoo account, Flickr is just one thing that I wanted you to look at. In the next video, there's another thing that's kind of not related to the research project. This should end the research project. All you're doing is pointing them to a few sites, getting them the idea, and they should be able to take off with it. All right, enjoy and go on to the next video.